Welcome to another episode of Box TV. Now this episode is me nah come at your party. Simple, me nah come at your party. I got a reason why me nah come at your party. Me an artist, my time is not really free. I'm not born to kill. I don't expect me for show up for all of it. Can't say that? Alright, hey. First of all, I don't know in a real life. I don't know you from social network. I just send me a Facebook request, but me nah come at your party. You think you're slick? Just accept you as a friend and about 3 minutes later, you're flirting me in the inbox. But me nah come at your party. Oh, the flirting thing are going nice and good now. Oh, maybe we should meet up. Me now. Which part? You. Never look a part? Nah, come at your party. Well, I'm having a... Me nah, come at your party. Having a... Nah, come at your party. Couple of reasons why me nah come at your party. One, me have to look fresh, clean, to death. So me have to buy new glasses, new hat, new shirt, new pants, new belt, boxers, new sock, new shoes. Probably all shoes lace. That costs money. So me nah come at your party. Then me have to go pay go in. Then me have to go pay for buy drinks. Then uno book DJ and in. DJ chat too much and DJ fuckery. All together, them 3 DJ that play the same thing. Nah come at your party. Worst when time them start show what half of them wondering about who come later or need. It's a reggae party, no? We one bag of rapping for. Nah, come at your party. What? You can't throw it down. I want to hear music. That's why me come at your party. Remember, me say the chatting business. Me nah come at your party. When me look like in a dance, I do the same old dance because the three of them play the same thing. Me nah come at your party. Support for support. Whereas me nah come at your party. You keep about 10 party. Me go at 9. Me keep 1 party, you never show. That's why me come at your party. Another reason, the video man. Oh gosh. Brother your video most of the floor and the ceiling than me in my expensive outfit. Or the girl them. Another reason why me come at your party. Picture man. How you find a man? You couldn't do better. You couldn't do better. What kind of picture that? Like me go buy expensive thing and that kind of picture that you take. Picture come down a little bit. My old phone can take better picture than that. I bet you did book me. Me nah come at your party. Me don't too give a fuck if me never come at your party and the next day you go on Facebook and throw a bag of wood. That is one of the reasons why I'm still nah come at your party. And I like say me never tell you. Me tell you. So me nah come at your party. Funny how now walk down the place that talk about the party I got shot. And the club where you book not even bigger than the size of my bathroom. Me nah come at your party. Big up everybody when I throw a party and everybody when I throw a party. But if you can relate to something in that video, share to somebody where party you go and it no go well or it go well, still share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Box TV. We can get a box shirt, share a box song, share a video. When you share, comment and talk and all these things, that's still support to me. Big up all of my Facebook friend, big up all of my IG friend. I almost love you. Quote of the day, if you're not a fans and supporters, don't throw a party. Me nah come at your party. Me nah come at your party. And if you watch this video upon YouTube, to look about the runner, so one is for like and one is for dislike. You can just press one of them and comment and share and all of these things. Come down look a bit. Box. Oh, move your face. No tuna come out. Come down look a bit. Remember, I'm tell you, it's bad. Gone. Me nah come at your party.